A groundbreaking study published in the Journal of Science has shined a light on the deep, often unspoken history of African American ancestry during the Industrial Revolution. Taking place at Catoctin Mountain Park in Maryland, this study focused on the DNA of deceased slaves who worked at Catoctin Furnace, an area now only a few miles away from the presidential retreat, Camp David. These slaves were a part of America's early industrial workforce, toiling in conditions that are hard to imagine today. They mined iron ore and operated blast furnaces, producing essential goods like cannonballs and utensils. Despite their contributions, their stories and even their names had been largely erased from history until now. Due to the lack of historical documentation, tracing the lineage of slaves has been a daunting challenge. Before the 1870 U.S. Census, which was the first to list all black individuals by name, many African Americans could not track their ancestors. This study aimed to reconstruct the lost lineages of 27 individuals buried at the Catoctin Furnace African American Cemetery by analyzing their DNA, revealing not just their ancestry, but also connections to current-day descendants. One of the most harrowing findings from the DNA analysis was the presence of European DNA in many of the samples, suggesting incidents of sexual abuse, a grim reality that aligns with historical accounts from that era. These findings underscore the brutal conditions under which these enslaved individuals lived. The research team, which included Smithsonian anthropologist Kari Bruwelheide and 23andMe population geneticist Ada Owen Harney, leveraged modern technology to bridge centuries of lost connections. They matched the DNA from these 27 individuals to 41,799 genetic relatives within the 23andMe database. This not only provided a voice to those silenced by history, but also located living descendants, many of whom are still in Maryland. Furthermore, the study revealed that many of the slaves had origins among the Wolof people of West Africa and the Congo of Central Africa, providing a clearer picture of the rich cultural backgrounds these individuals came from. The integration of historical DNA with consumer-level DNA databases like 23andMe played a crucial role in this research. To heal historical wounds. 23andMe are exploring ethical ways to inform descendants about their connections to the Catoctin, promising a future where more Americans might be able to and touch their history, acknowledging and contributions of their ancestors. This study not only reconstructs lost, poignant reminder of the enduring strength of those who came before. Unauthorized History for more videos.